Hi everyone. So this lesson is going to teach you a little bit about type 1 equations. This is just a review from last year mainly, and so it shouldn't be too difficult, but remember, like I said, we're going to start really simple and then we're gradually going to get a little bit harder each time. So today we're doing type 1 equations. Tomorrow in class we'll do some more practice and we'll move to type 2 from there. Okay, so type 1 equations pretty much involve one step only. So when we look at this first question here, 2y is equal to 10, what you want to do is you always want to isolate for y, or whatever your variable might be. In all of these situations, your variable is y, but again, it can be anything. Because remember, y just represents any number. So here what we're going to do is we're going to solve for y. So what you want to do is you want to bring the 2 to the other side of the equation. Because you are multiplying on this side of the equation 2y, what you want to do is the opposite to bring it to the other side. So we're going to leave y here, and we're going to bring the 2 to the other side of the equation. So instead of multiplying by 2, you are going to divide by 2, and your answer, y, is going to be 10 divided by 2, which is 5. Okay? Moving on to a question like this one, here you already have y on the one side of the equation. On the other side of the equation you have 8 plus 3, so all you're simply going to do is add the 8 plus 3 and you get 11 is equal to y. Okay, nice and simple. You know that you're done when you have one value for y and you have completely isolated it. Okay, when we move over here, again we're going to solve for y. So you leave y on this side. Now, here you are subtracting 2, so what you want to do on the other side is you want to add 2. So you simply bring the 2 to the other side of the equation, and your final answer is y is equal to 9. Okay, up here we have another question. Because you are adding 7, what you want to do is you want to subtract 7. So we're going to bring 4 to the other side. So, sorry. So y is equal to 4 subtract 7. Therefore, y is equal to negative 3. And when we go over here to the very last one, what you're doing over here is you have y over 4, so you're dividing your variable by 4. So what you want to do is to get rid of that 4, you have to do the opposite. You're dividing, so you want to do the opposite, which is multiplying. You bring it over to the other side, you leave your y on this side, and instead you're just going to do 7 times your 4. So y is now equal to 28. Okay, so that's your quick little lesson for today. We will move forward tomorrow, give you some practice in class, and then we'll learn type 2. Okay, I hope everybody had a good night, and I will see you tomorrow.